Thanks for viewing our short video showing the Cuisinart Woodcreek pellet grill inside and out. I'm Max Good, Director of Equipment Reviews at AmazingRibs.com. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, or another social media site and want to learn more, go to the link on AmazingRibs.com below to read our detailed review. I think you'll understand why Forbes magazine calls us the world's leading outdoor cooking resource. This product was sent to us by the manufacturer. When we're done with our testing, it will go back to them or be given away. We never sell test models, and no one ever pays us to be reviewed. Here's Cuisinart's Woodcreek 4-in-1 pellet grill. It has some pretty unique features. Bluetooth wireless connectivity. We'll peel this off in a minute. 2 integrated meat probes and a large but familiar looking control knob. Kind of looks like something you'd see inside in your kitchen oven. And internal lights under the hood. 30-pound pellet hopper with a window. They're big on windows. And this one has a pellet fuel level sensor down here. And look at this. You can store your integrated meat probes right under the hood. That's convenient. I always like it when a corded model has some posts to wrap that cord up and get it out of the way. And Woodcreek also has a pellet clear-out chute. Slide this out, and the pellets just fall right down through that chute door. Woodcreek is called 4-in-1 because it's obviously a pellet smoker, but it also comes with some extras like this massive cast iron griddle that hangs on the side, although you may want to bring it inside because cast iron has a tendency to rust. Smoker, griddle, that's 2. Come around the left side, and here's a charcoal tray. Fill that with charcoal for a charcoal grilling experience. That's number 3. Here's number 4, a rack of ceramic briquettes that's supposed to create a sear zone over the fire pot. We're very interested to try that out. Tool hooks on that left side shelf. Nice big storage space underneath. 4 locking casters. Look inside through the window. I've removed the guts, and you're going to see some pretty interesting design features in here. As mentioned, there's the halogen lights and temperature probe. On the left is the grease removal system. Grease comes off the drip pan over here and goes down to a removable grease tray in the back. On the right side is this mechanism that allows you to clean out the ash from the fire pot. Which drops into this removable ashtray underneath. The double-walled hood has a strip of insulation that goes all the way around. A diffuser's placed over the fire pot. The drip tray is in 2 parts. This is a very unique part of the design. The left side funnels grease down, but take note. Here's where the fire pot is, and a second drip plate goes over the fire pot. Remove that drip plate and drop in the charcoal insert. Or you can check out the ceramic briquettes. On goes the 3 coated cast iron grates, and like many, they're double-sided. You got the flat side and the sharp side. Ooh, I really like this big, beautiful griddle. Man, it's heavy too. And you can scrape it off into this channel at the back. Warming rack goes on top. And look what Cuisinart has done here. You can just flip it out of the way. So simple and convenient. Well, there it is, folks, 4-in-1, and we will be testing all 4 of them. Cuisinart Woodcreek 4-in-1 pellet grill. To read our detailed review, go to AmazingRibs.com. On our red navigation bar at the top of your screen, search for our review by the model name. Forbes calls AmazingRibs.com by far the leading resource for barbecue and grilling information. So while you're here, check out our news, tested recipes, technique and science, product ratings and reviews, barbecue competition info, tailgating, barbecue history and culture. And if you still want more after all that, then you're a candidate for our Pitmaster Club. Be amazing. Try a free trial membership. You'll be glad you did. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.